Hi guys, welcome to new video. This video is going to be very interesting because this technique everybody can learn easily. If someone grab your collar, then how to apply this technique? Within 1 second you can apply this technique and very easy. So must watch this video if you want to learn this technique. If someone grab your collar and doesn't attack you, then this technique will be applied. So let's start the video. Guys, in this condition, you can control him without hurting him. While doing this technique, you have to be very careful with your movements and your steps. Otherwise, you can't do this technique. So, when he grab your collar, then you can see his grip. His grip like this, as you can see in the video, and then you will move your body cross-side on his. Now here you can see when you move more forward, his balance going to out. Now here you will immediately grab his neck and you can fully under control of him. Guys, now I'll show you this technique from the other side so you can understand better. How? When he grab you, step number 1, move other side. Step number 2, yes, grab and push him down and lock his neck. Guys, now we'll show you this technique in real. Yes. And must tell us in comment box it works or not. So guys, if you want to learn more interesting videos, then subscribe our channel, share video with a friend and press the bell icon. Thank you.